How to log into your Phantom Wallet app. Phantom Wallet app sign in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into our Phantom Wallet app or sign in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our Phantom Wallet app or sign in, all we have to do is open up the Phantom application here. Now if you don't have a wallet, then you have to select create a new wallet. If you already have a wallet and then you have backed up your recovery or your secret phrase somewhere, then you can simply select import existing wallet, tap on next option. Now you can import your secret recovery phrase, or you can import it with your private key or connect it, whatever else it is. So if you had backed up a secret recovery phrase, simply make sure to enter them over here, and once you've entered them, you should not share the secret phrase with anybody. Then you can just tap on the import secret phrase option, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then import it. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into your Phantom Wallet app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.